Hey guys, if you want to know how to take your motorcycle learner's permit test online in New York, it's actually pretty easy. First, go to the official website dmv.ny.gov. At the top, click on driver's license, permits, and IDs. Then select learner's permits. Here you can find study materials like the manual, practice tests, so you're ready for the test. The Class D permit test is available in multiple languages including English. Next, check what documents you'll need. You can use the Get Pre-Screened option on the site to see exactly what's required. Usually, you'll need proof of identity, age, residency, your application form. Once your documents are ready, visit your local DMV office to submit them and pay the test fee. They'll then let you know the date for your learner's permit test. And that's it, study, submit your documents, and you're all set to take your motorcycle permit test in New York. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.